Hi, thanks for your interest in Jersey Shore Therapeutic Healthcare. Today, we just want to share with the community our plans going forward and just want to make sure everyone understands what the story really is. The security question, I think it's important for people to know how you get into a medical marijuana dispensary and what that really means for a security perspective.
Do you want to touch on that?
Sure. So we will only serve license holding medical marijuana patients licensed by the state of New Jersey. The entry to the dispensary for patients will include a security checkpoint outside. Patients will have to show their medical marijuana ID card as well as a state or federal licensed photo ID to gain entry to the foyer of the dispensary. Once inside, they will be asked to show that required identification again, and they'll be checked in, and they will, for a first-time patient visit, they will undergo a patient orientation where one of our nurses will discuss their medical history and appropriate treatment ideas. Once the orientation is over, the patient will go into a waiting area where they will sit and wait for their opportunity to go to the sales counter and speak with a patient advisor.
I think it's important to note the only people permitted in that building will be a registered card holder or their registered caregiver holding that same card issued by the state of New Jersey.
And on the same note, once you're buzzed in and then you show your card, once you get to the register, you show your card again, and before you leave the building, you show your card again. And once you leave the building, you're required to leave the premises, the parking lot, the entire property as soon as you obtain your medicine.
And important for the neighbors in the immediate community to know that there will be no consumption permitted on premises, and that is pursuant to the New Jersey legislation.
Anywhere on premises.
Any of the alternative treatment centers disallow, prohibit entirely any consumption on premises. So getting into security a little bit, we have multi-layered security for this facility. We will have in-house Jersey Shore Therapeutic Healthcare employees that will be there during all business hours. We have director of security. We'll have our own in-house security staff. Secondarily, we're going to have third-party security. They will be uniformed security guards 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Additionally, there will be cameras, a surveillance system in both the patient services building and the cultivation center. They will be in the parking lot. All aspects will be monitored through this surveillance system, which is accessible by the Department of Health. The state of New Jersey is going to have it tied into all of it.
Is there a big sign that says medical marijuana dispensary?
There will be no signs whatsoever on the premises, just going to say 385 Adamston, so that the only people coming there will be our employees or security, patients, and caregivers, and that's it. If you're not one of those four categories,
then you don't even know what it is.
Correct, and you should have no idea. And additionally, we have some more controls and security with our software, inventory tracking software, software that tracks all patient purchases, again, going right to the Department of Health, the state of New Jersey. So with all the layers of security, I have no doubt it will be much more secure than the bank ever was. Additionally, we'll have more patrols through Brick Police, and we've had those discussions that they want to keep it safe, and I've seen they've done that as a bank anyway. So I think overall the community is going to be safer in that area than it ever was.